Welcome to the Swarigio Scale Shift, where we help founders break free from the manual grind and achieve multiplied impact. Most high-level entrepreneurs are stuck on what we call the selling treadmill. The lie you've been sold is that constant hustle and daily posting are the only path to growth. This often leads to a constant, exhausting one-to-one sales cycle. You're spending hours on calls, refreshing stats, and chasing likes. It feels like you're doing the work, but your pipeline remains inconsistent. It's time to confront the fundamental limitations of this manual one-to-one approach. One-to-one selling is inherently time-bound, repetitive, and inconsistent. Your growth is directly tied to the hours you can physically spend working. This approach is the content treadmill. When you stop posting or stop calling, your growth stalls. It's a mechanism problem, not a content problem. The real transformation happens when you stop trading time for sales and start leveraging systems. True scale is only achieved when your message, your best pitch, works without you physically being present. This is led independence. Imagine stepping away from the desk, knowing your brand is still attracting, qualifying, and converting high-ticket clients automatically. Let's look at the difference between manual effort and multiplied impact using a powerful visual metaphor. On one side, you have the founder making one singular phone call, reaching one person at a time. On the other, you have one piece of high-leverage content broadcasting your core belief to thousands, converting many while you sleep. Understand this. Automated systems are not a replacement for salesmanship. They are an extension of it. These quiet lead machines take your best positioning, your best pitch, and your unique clarity, and deliver it consistently to every qualified lead. They are designed to filter and pre-sell leads around the clock, ensuring that by the time a prospect reaches your calendar, they are ready to buy. This is the core of the Swarigio philosophy, founded by Vishal Baurai. The goal is to evolve your selling from manual effort to a reliable, multiplied impact using automated growth systems. We move you away from dependence on social media algorithms toward owned data and infrastructure that converts followers into high-ticket clients, quietly and predictably. Stop buying the lottery ticket of marketing. Start building with clarity, structure, and intent. Stop chasing the social media noise and hoping for virality. Focus your energy on building authority and implementing the predictable systems you need to truly scale. Ready to fix your mechanism problem? Book your private pipeline audit with Swarigio today and unlock your own quiet lead machine.